Hey there! Are you struggling with building and launching a site? Do you want to make the process a breeze? Well, that's why we are here with the perfect tool to help you out and guide you. Want to learn the name? Well, then stick with me because it's going to be interesting. Let's just dive right into it. And our tool's name is xCloud, and here's what it offers: free migration, automated hosting, and advanced integrations. We'll cover all this in a minute. Wait for it. And here's what you can do as a user. You will be able to select hosting as needed. You can either proceed with xCloud and create your server with just a few clicks, or you can also choose one of the options available. You'll see that. And you will be able to launch your site with just a few clicks. You will be able to install your WordPress sites in seconds with xCloud's lightning fast installation process. And you can manage all your servers and sites in just one dashboard, which is really crazy. Okay, so now it's high time to head to the dashboard and test these features in action and also see what we can really do. So right now I'm on my xCloud dashboard and let's see what we've got here. So here we've got four main sections that we will deal with, which is dashboard, all servers and all sites, and trade playground. So in this all servers and all sites, you will be able to find your servers and sites that you have created respectively, and you can manage them all right from there. So let's get started with the dashboard, and here let's click on this button, new server. Okay, so if you already have a VPS provider like Vultr or DigitalOcean or GCP or any other, you can see the any option as well, then no worries, because you can seamlessly integrate with them all with xCloud. xCloud supports them all, so just do not have to worry about this. But similarly, you can also proceed with this hosting that is managed by xCloud. Okay, so let's click on this and see what we've got here. Okay, so logically we first need to name our server. Let's say it's server 2. Then if you like to keep things organized, you can see that this is an optional feature here. Then you can also add tags just to organize your servers if you, for example, are going to create many of them. Let's name this demo. Okay, you can add as many as you want. Nextly, we've got the server type. So here we have either general or premium, and I'd always personally suggest go with the premium option if you have it next to the general option, because it would be beneficial for both parties, both for your users that you're going to use and your developers as well. So in this general case, we have cost-effective server, and in this premium's case, we have blazing fast server with higher metrics, as you can see. Fine, let's proceed with the premium one. And here you can see that the pricing differs a lot for these two options here. And within the premium also, you've got the options to choose from light, personal, growing, elite, titanium, and ultimate. So I will proceed with light, but here I would like just to say that just pay attention to what it offers, the sizes here. I would recommend to pay attention to this RAM and CPUs. So I will proceed with the light one. Here you can choose your continent, your region. I will proceed with Chicago. And here you can choose the database. Here we've got the one option and the backup. You can enable this, especially if you are dealing with production, then it would be really nice. And also it doesn't cost that much. I guess it's the 20% of the server cost, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, you can enable this, but let's for now just save money here and click on next. And here you can see that it will start generating. It will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes to create our server. So let's grab a cup of tea while we are waiting for this. Well, our server 2 is finally created, and we can now proceed with looking through it and see what insights we can get into our server. So here we can see the IP address, the provider. We have chosen xCloud, the plan. We have proceeded with the light option, your SQL, the size, the region. We have chosen Chicago. And once the server is created, you can perform a couple of actions from here. here you can see, you can view the sites that you have added into this particular server. We have none in this case, but we will create one soon. You can add new site. That's what we're going to do right now. You can restart your server. You can restart your SQL. You can archive your server, and you can delete your server. Okay, but now, for now, let's create a new site within our server. And here we've got a couple of options here. So for example, if you already have an existing WordPress website, then you can choose this option and migrate your existing WordPress website into this particular server. Otherwise, you can install a new WordPress website and create this website, build it from scratch. You can also clone a repository, and you can manually upload a WordPress website. And finally, you can migrate full server. So plenty of options. Definitely will find the one that matches your particular needs. But in this case, let's proceed with this new WordPress website. Okay, so for now, for the beginning, we need to name our site. Let's say it would be Anne's website. Okay, here again, we've got the tag options, again, to keep things organized. So here, two important options, either go live or staging environment. So if you still want to work on your website, do some improvements, then you can choose the staging environment and not go live immediately once you launch it, or click here just next. I will proceed with this one. And with this option, here you can also see that it automatically generates the site domain, which is really cool. Okay, so here you can also enhance the website's performance by enabling this full page caching and there's a Redis object caching. So in this case, the website speed will be even better and higher, of course. And email provider configuration, so you can enable this as well. And here we've got the more advanced settings option. So if you want to dig deeper and if you want to do some advanced customizations, of course you can go with this one. You can choose the admin username, the admin password here, the email address that you want to add and manage this whole website, the PHP version, site user, and some other important stuff such as the database management. Either you can create database in server right here, or you can add your existing database if you have any. And you can also name the database, set password, the username, some really deep stuff if you want to dig deeper. And afterwards, simply click on next. And here you can see it will take just a few moments. It's already 27%. It literally took me a minute or two to see the final result, and I would like to show it to you as well. So let's click on this. And this is a really nice looking website, and of course we can make all the configurations that we need in the end once we change the staging to already live. Let's go back and see what insights we can get into this. You can see the IP address, your WordPress number, the PHP, the site user, the size, the updates that you need to do, the number of updates. Here you can see the actions that you can perform. So this is the overview that's open right now. The magic login, you can see the site logs, site events, you can see the cache and clean it sometimes to make your website speed even higher. You can clone this site and you can similarly delete this site. If you go a little bit down, you can see all the events, important events that have recently happened into your WordPress website so that you can keep up with them. Again, it does not end here. You've also got this sidebar here on your left that you can again make some customizations to. You can see the staging, which is a very important part actually of this. If you remember, we have set this to staging environment, so it's not live yet. And once we click on here, again, we also will need to choose the finalized domain for our website, and again, some live related stuff. You can see the backup options here. You can see the email provider. You can see the caching from here, what you need to do, the events again from here. And that's pretty much it. Well, that's it about xCloud, the tool that will let you launch your site with just a few clicks. And if you've still got any questions concerning it, then don't forget to drop them in comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to not miss out any of our upcoming informative videos. And I'll see you next time and have a nice day. Bye bye!